Cardmakers monthly subscription kit is a treasure trove of card making. Of course, you're going to get the blank cards. There are 10 of them and 10 matching envelopes. Now, these are a large size card. They measure 5 by 6.5 when they're folded in half, and giving you lots of room for creativity. The newsletter is going to show you step by step how to do the cards, but let me just walk you through the ones for January. Look at this card, a beautiful shaker card. Isn't that fun? Well, members are going to receive, of course, the papers necessary to create it. Aren't those gorgeous? And the artwork that's necessary. The acetate sheet also has the words on it, so you can see blissful, laugh, cheerful right there, or you can choose just to use the blank area. Of course, a package of sequins are going to be yours. Very, very fun. And we always show you, of course, the outside of the card, but also the inside, and everything you need to create that is part of your kit. Every month you're going to get a shaped card, and this is the one for this month. You can see how the artwork makes it super easy to just place that on the card. Fun that this straight edge is the bottom of this dove that is sending love and holding you in my heart. Just a beautiful piece. Every month, if there is a holiday, you're going to get what's needed for that. Now, St. Patrick's Day is what we're looking for. I know it's only January, but we need to plan ahead, we card makers. And look at this fun St. Patrick's Day card. Also the envelope. And that flash that you're seeing is the enclosed circles holographic paper. Very, very fun. And then, of course, the artwork that you're going to need to create this card is going to be right there, right all together. We have a Christmas card every month, and here's the one for January. We've got some twine, and isn't that beautiful with the snowflakes falling on the wood? And there are a couple of papers that you need to create this, and everything's included. You're going to do some tearing, you're going to do some distressing, and of course you're always going to get the ribbon. We're going to provide that for you too. Now in this month you're going to get a pack of chipboard die cut pieces. It looks like this. Let me show you how far this can go. The first card is this one, and this is a paper engineered card. Isn't that fun how that opens up? Well, we make it super easy for you because here's what you need. The papers are right here. They're already cut in the shapes, and we'll show you how to put this together. Now, the Celebrate is going to go on this card, and we're also going to show you the envelope. And this has some jeweled Dazzles as well as that chipboard. Well, we're going to give you 31 of them, and we're going to use them on several of the cards. That just makes it fun. So we've got a big Celebrate, a great big happy birthday. Of course, we always show you the inside of the card, and this time you get the envelope also. And these are the papers that were used for this card. We've got more chipboard. Here's a thanks, and isn't that pretty? I like how that shines. And the papers, well, the papers are uniquely designed every single month for members only. The way that we phrase it is that we do more than shop for you, we design for you. As you can see, when life gets sour, you fill it with sweetness. Thank you. Isn't that a very nice message? Here is a congratulations on a new baby. And of course we make this so it could go masculine or feminine, but that congrats is part of the chipboard, and there it is. Here's how the artwork comes. Like I said, we want to make it easy for you. And we have a For You card, just a really pretty simple card. And here is the artwork, and there's the chipboard. All of those came off of this one sheet, and yes, you're going to have some extras left. If you've been counting, we're not up to 10 yet, but we have a good luck card, or maybe it could be a masculine birthday if you like. Reach for the stars, it says, and you're going to get this supersize brad included along, of course, with the papers. Now this month you're getting an extra little gift card, and this is the way that we've designed it, just to make that super easy. Well, as I said, every single month on our card makers are unique cards. You saw that there are 10 different designs, 10 different looks, 10 different finishes. and 10 different greetings for them, different messages. All of this is done, and the newsletter is going to give you step by step how to recreate all of them. You can choose to do it that way, or you can choose to do your own thing. We will also have a members only offer, and we'll give you a hint on another of our monthly kits. If you'd like to join us, we'd love to have you. And just go to paperwishes.com, go on the home page, go clear over to the right, you'll see monthly kits, and click there. It'll take you right to Cardmakers. We hope you'll join us for creativity every single month.